Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Now, I am going to show you how to replace battery for iPhone 4 by yourself, and that will be so easy. If you like topics related, I will be so happy to have you by tapping the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon for more updates of my latest videos. My thank you is for you in advance. Now, let's move into it. First, is you must have this tools to do this. You can buy this in any online store. Before starting to disassemble your iPhone 4, don't forget to turn off your phone. It is necessary for safety. After you turned off your phone, unscrew this 2 screws near it at the USB charging port. Be careful and make sure you insert the tip of your tool before twisting to open or loosen the screw, to make sure it won't break the screw's grip mold. Now, tap the back cover and slide it up. Before lifting and removing the back cover, do it carefully. Take a look and observe the phone. How will you remove the battery from your iPhone? First is unscrew the battery. Always be careful, there is a small piece of metal under the screw and battery plug. Always remember how it must place, for easy putting it back later. After removing the screw, using this tool or pick, try to lift the battery side by side to loosen the glue. But if it is hard to lift, try to use hot air gun or even just a hair blower. Heat blowing will soften the glue for easy removing of the battery. Now it's done and ready to replace the battery. You can order this battery online or in iPhone stores. Before placing the battery in, apply adhesive to the battery or phone, where the battery must be placed. Press the battery after placing in. Then just follow the video how to place it back. That's all for now guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up if this helps you a lot, and subscribing will be appreciated. Thank you. See you on my next video.